Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTitans. Today, in this video, I'll be exploring more on cloud computing and its real-time existence in the corporate world. What is cloud computing? So cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources over the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can actually access technology services such as computing storage, power, and databases on and as needed from a cloud provider. Let's discuss some of its pros and cons. Number one is the cost saving. Once you are on the cloud, easy access to your company's data will save time and money in project startups. You don't need to worry for features that you might need or not because most cloud computing services are pay as you go. That means you are not risking your money. The pay as you go system also applies to the data storage space needed to service your stakeholders and clients, which means you will get exactly as much space as you need and not be charged for any space that you don't need. This results in major cost savings. Number two is the security. One thought about cloud computing solution. If you can remotely access your data, then what's stopping a cyber criminal from doing the same thing? Most businesses don't like to openly consider the possibility of internal data theft. The truth is that a high percentage of data theft occur internally and are perpetrated by employees. When this is the case, it can actually be much safer to keep sensitive information off-site. 94% of businesses saw an improvement in security after switching to the cloud, and 91% said the cloud makes it easier to meet government compliance requirements. The key thing is the encryption of data being transmitted over networks and stored in databases. By using encryption, information is less accessible by hackers or anyone not authorized to view your data. As a value addition to cloud-based services, different security settings can be set based on the user level. Dell Company reports that companies invest in big data, cloud, mobility, and security enjoy up to 55% faster revenue growth than competitors. Number third is the flexibility. The cloud offers businesses more flexible as compared to hosting on a local server. If you needed extra bandwidth, a cloud-based service can meet the demand instantly, rather than undergoing a complex update to your IT infrastructure. This improved freedom and flexibility can make a significant difference to the overall efficiency of your organization. Number four is the mobility. Cloud computing allows mobile access to corporate data via smartphones and devices. Considering over 2.6 billion smartphones are being used globally today, it is a great way to ensure that no one is ever left out of the loop. Through the cloud, you can offer conveniently accessible information to sales staff who travel freelance employees or remote employees for better work-life balance. Number fifth is the collaboration. Cloud computing makes collaboration a simple process. Team members can view and share information easily and securely across a cloud-based platform. Number six is the disaster recovery. Cloud-based services provide quick data recovery for all kinds of emergency scenarios, from natural disasters to power outages. While 20% of the cloud users claim disaster recovery in 4 hours or less than that, Only 9% of non-cloud users could claim the same. Let's discuss some of the negative side of the cloud computing. Number one is the security threat in the cloud computing. Before adopting cloud technology, you should be well aware about the fact that you will be sharing all your company's data's sensitive information to a third-party cloud computing service provider. The risk is hackers might access this information. Number two is the downtime. Downtime should also be considered while working with cloud computing. That's because your cloud service provider may face power loss, low internet connectivity, service maintenance, or whatever. Number third is the internet connectivity. Good internet connectivity is a must in cloud computing. You can't access cloud without an internet connection. Moreover, you don't have any other way to gather data from the cloud. Number fourth is lower bandwidth. Many cloud storage service providers limit bandwidth usage of their users. So in case if your organization surpasses the given allowance, the additional charges could be significantly costly. Oh, despite of all the pros and cons, we can't deny the fact that cloud computing is the fastest growing part of network-based computing. It offers a great advantage to customers of all sizes, starting from simple users, developers, enterprises, and all types of organization. So this technology is here to stay for a long, long time. There are three services models of cloud computing. Number one is the software as a service. It is the most commonly utilized option for businesses in the cloud market. A majority of SaaS applications run directly through your web browser, which means they do not require any downloads or installations on the client side. The major advantage for a software as a service is saving time and money, resulting in saving operational cost and maintenance cost. Some of the examples for SaaS are Google Apps, DRAWBACKS, and Salesforce. Number two is the platform as a service. Platform as a service delivers a framework for developers that they can build upon and use to create customized applications. All servers, storage, networking can be managed by the third-party provider. PaaS provides a platform for software creation. Platform as a service allows businesses to design and create applications with spatial software components. The major advantage for platform as a service, it is simple, cost-effective development and deployment of apps. Secondly, it's scalable. Third is developers can customize apps without the headache of maintaining the software. And the fourth is there's a significant reduction in the amount of coding needed. Some instances for PaaS are Microsoft Azure, Google App Engine, Apache Stratos. Number third is the infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service is a fully self-service for accessing and monitoring computers, networking, storage, and other services. These cloud servers are typically provided to the organization through a dashboard or an API, giving complete control over the entire infrastructure. IaaS provides the same technologies and capabilities as a traditional data center, without having to physically maintain or manage all of it. Infrastructure as a service clients can still access their servers and storage directly, but it is all outsourced through a virtual data center in the cloud. The major advantage for infrastructure as a service is it is most flexible cloud computing model and highly scalable. Some instances for IaaS are AWS, GCE, and Rackspace. Important message from TechTitans. We have Make in India cloud infra services companies who majorly targets Indian audience, providing the same level of performance but at an economical price as compared with the global cloud giants in the market. I request everyone to comment below saying I subscribed for more such informative videos. Thanks for your love and support, friends.